Kya opbigar baith apni computer, se Ethereum, mine kark pays kamana chait hain. Til chali, main opko step batata hun. Sabs pehol, opko kuch hardware ki zarurat pataji akacha graphics card yani ki GPU hono bahut zaruri high. Kyunki Ethereum mining kalai ya sabs important component high for gigabytes SEs yada memory wala GPU best rahega fear opko chahi ek powerful processor, at least 8 gigabytes RAM. Or ek reliable motherboard power supply bi aki wattage ki honi chahi, jo ik sabi components ko power to sake. Abla step high mining software download karna main opko trex miner ya Phoenix miner recommend Karunga Inki official website se download Karin or installation k instructions follow Karin download cart whacked antivirus disable karda. Kyunki wo kabi mining software ko virus samaj leva high. Software install home kabod. Opko eyes configure karna hoga opko ek Ethereum wallet address key zarurat pataji jahan 8 mine coins store hong api preferred mining pool ka address or apno wallet address software main dotline configuration file ko edit karna padega. Ape pool or wallet ke according. Configuration complete home kabod. Mining shuru karn kalai start button par click karin opko apni GPU ka temperature monitor kart rena hoga agar temperature bahut zyada bad raha hito fan speed bad haanya mining thodi der kalai band kardin. Yad rakin, mining shuru main thodi slow ho shukti high, leakin dear opki hash rate improve hogi regularly apni earnings check kart rahin, or apni software ko update kart rahin. Or agar koi problem ato online communities or forums main help mon gain best of luck mining Ethereum.